In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox voice chat. Now, first you want to head over to roblox.com. From in here, go to your settings up here, and you want to come over to your personal. Now from in here, you want to verify your age. You simply do that by clicking here, and then you have to send your ID, and you need to use your smartphone. So that's basically how you can verify your age. Now once your age is verified, you can do the voice chat. When you scroll down, there'll be a voice chat option and you have to enable it. Now after you've done that, the voice chat should hopefully work. But if it doesn't, another thing you can do is right click down here and go to the sound settings, just like this. In here, what you can do is you can go to device properties, click on the microphone, here. Make sure the volume is turned all the way up, or at least at a decent level instead of 0. Now, if you come over here on the additional device properties, you can also do it from in here and make sure everything is correct. Now, if you come down here again and you press on sounds, this will open up and you're gonna go over to recording. As you can see here, when I'm talking, this is moving and this is supposed to be like that. So if when you talk into your microphone, this is not moving at all, that means your microphone is not working. You can go into the properties on this one and it will just open up this one as well. Now you want to make sure all of this is working. If it's not working, you need to find out what the problem is. Maybe you put the jack stick in somewhere else. Maybe you didn't install the driver for your microphone, or maybe your microphone is not fully plugged in. Now make sure all of this is correct and then your voice chat should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.